Big, big fish. Oh, what a big fish! Yeah! That's a good. I love Mo! Damn, that's a big fish. Whoo! That's about a 10, 12 pound fish right here. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful fish, guys. Check out the rigs on the TikTok shop. Check out the rigs on the TikTok shop. All right, we gotta put these pumps back on. Here's the rigs. Here's the rigs right here. Look at that fluorescent color on the rigs. Absolutely gorgeous. Here's my sinker. Here's the rig. Suspend your bait off the bottom, sound and vibration, catch more fish. Right there.